Hey y'all, welcome back. And if you're new, just stopping in, my name is Shannon, and I'm glad that you're here. And I hope you decide to stick around and hang out with us. So I'm going in with another before because I want to remember this room and what it looked like before it got all finished. And this is part 2. And we will be painting, and he will be doing the burn work on the mantle that we hung. And then, of course, I'll have an after of the room. It turned out so beautiful. But this room has already been primed. We already primed it I think it's the day before, or it could have been this day. And then, no, it was the day before. And we're coming in, and he's trimming out the ceiling in a flat white. And I'm doing the doorways, windows, bottom, corner. I'm trimming all that out to get it ready to be rolled. And I'm using a antique white in an eggshell finish because that would be washable, and it's just got a nice finish to it. And it looks really good once we did our trim. The white gloss, it looks so good. Just so good. So yeah, he's just going to finish trimming out his part of the ceiling. Then you'll see him going in with the roller, and he'll roll it. I did not get me rolling the walls, but I rolled the walls after I got all the trim done. Also, I want to say I do have this sped up quite a bit because there's no way we're as old as we are going to be working this fast. So it's sped up. Some of it's 4 times, and then some of it's 8 times. So I just wanted to throw that in there too. So I'm going to put on a little bit of music, and I will be back throughout the video. Okay, he's going to go in. He's already built my mantle. This is a mantle built out of white pine. And he is going to go in and lightly burn it with his handheld little torch. I did not want it, burnt too much. Just enough to make the pattern of the wood grain kind of stick out, because I'm going to go in with 2 colors of stain. I'm going to use in the middle part of the mantle a golden oak, and then on the ends I went in with a dark walnut, and then I kind of like faded them in together, and I love the way it turned out. It turned out just like I was hoping it would. I basically wanted like a rustic farmhouse, like the faux wood beams that they do in the farmhouse decor. That's the look I was going for, because that's mainly the look that I want to go with throughout my home, is like a farmhouse, country cottage style. I just love that style. So that's what he's doing here, and unfortunately I didn't get it videoed of me staining, but here he's putting the mantle on. And that long piece of wood that was out there when he was burning the mantle is the piece of wood that sits back behind this mantle. He attached it to the wall and then screwed the mantle onto it. So I'm showing the disaster that the floor is in from all of the paint. And yes, I'm in my pajamas. This is like 5 o'clock in the morning. I got up and nobody else was up, so I figure I will go ahead and try to vacuum up, and then I'm gonna go in and mop the floor to see what I can get up. Unfortunately, not a lot of it come up, so then you'll see me go in with my steam mop to try to loosen it, and then I'll mop back over it. And some of it come up, but a lot of it was still stuck, so I had to get on my hands and knees with a scrub daddy sponge and just scrub the floor until I got all of the paint up. And we did at first try to put down some plastic, but I almost fell and Mike almost fell, so I just said forget it, I can clean the floor, it's not a problem. So that's what I did. I worked and worked and worked on the floor, and it wasn't so much the wall paint or the ceiling paint, it was that primer. That stuff really stuck to the floor good. But you'll see all that, and then you'll see the final result. And I tell you, I would clean this floor 100 times for the final result that is in here compared to what it did look like. So with that being said, I hope that y'all will come back for my next video, because it will definitely be a fall decorate the living room with me. And as always, stay blessed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
All those little moments, the best you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments are letting you only God knew about. dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added color.